Welcome back to our daily Revelation journey. Revelation chapter 1, verse 15. And his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace. He's reminding us of Jesus' authority, the brass, but it's more than that. When it says burn in furnace, that's saying the most pure kind of metals. Let's be real. All governments have a lot of impurity and trash and are able to be corrupted. Jesus is not. He is the ultimate authority, and we need to serve him. I'm Pastor Matthew. The channel's End Time Prophecies. The goal is to learn Bible prophecy for yourself. I hope that you hit the link below and the notification to remind yourself every day to come back to this daily Revelation Bible study. Maranatha.